What is up, guys? We are back finally with some more content. We're gonna be posting twice a week now, and we're here at, that's Lake Grapevine right there. We're on a golf course right next to Lake Grapevine. Been doing some fishing, and hopefully we can be on them. Should be clear water, should be up on beds, and good fishing conditions. Perfect time of day.
Told you, there's 5. There's 5 right there. Right under that thing. They're right there.
Right there?
Yeah. Here she is, first fish of the day. Let's go. Crystal clear water, right there. See you, buddy?
Just get stuck in there?
No. It's gone. Nice.
Alright guys, first fish of the day for me. Flipped on him with a little craw and caught him on, so see you later.
Right back on the bed. Nice.
Third fish of the day for me. One of them was off camera on the craw. See ya.
Nice. No way. Yeah. Top water jig. It just freaking destroyed it. Darn it. I wasn't recording. That sucks. Feels so bad. See you, fish. Bye, buddy. Jeez. I saw her right there. Rough day. Third fish of the day for me. Stop, buddy. All right, bye. Right back on his bed. Josh has a tank on. He has a tank on. Holy crap.
Oh my god.
Oh. What is that?
It's a drum.
It's a drum. No. There she is. Mondo. Alright, gonna get a freaking fire release. Josh's Mondo drum. It's crazy what you can catch on beds. Here she goes.
See you later. Bye-bye. Flipped right on that log right there. Little loggy. Right there, and flipped right on it with a little, I don't know what it is, little speed craw. I didn't think I would catch a drum on it. I saw some like action over there, so I thought it was a bass. And then I hooked it and I just took off, and I was like, oh my god. That's either like a 10-pound bass or like a catfish or a drum or something, and it was a drum or something, so it's unfortunate. I mean, they can survive outside of water for 30 minutes to an hour, so they almost call them the whale of the pond.
Oh my gosh. It must be over here.
There she is. Little 1.5.
Toss her in.
Alright guys, just hooked up on this fish on the speed craw.
Let's give her a dandy release.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Josh is hooked up. We thought it was the big end. We saw like an 8-pounder right out here. Josh got the tiny one. Nice. There she is. That was a crappy release that I was on. Thank you guys for watching. Please go like and subscribe and donate to Canis for Warriors. Quality day here. And some unexpected catches you guys saw. So thank you guys for watching. Go like and subscribe.